I'm working at Caisse des Dépôts, and I'm in the strategy department, and we are in charge of the strategy of a group. And as maybe some of you should know, we have direct asset investment, something around 5 billion euro, plus two main subsidiaries. One is ICAD, where we have something around 30–40% of shareholding, and it's 10 billion euro in real estate offices, mainly in Paris area. And the other one is specialized in social housing, 280,000 flats in France. This is very roughly what we are doing in real estate. As a member of the RICS, I'm in charge of the European Task Force on Sustainability in Real Estate, and I have also responsibilities with the United Nations Environmental Programme, where we have released this year, in collaboration with the RICS and the IGCC, which is the International Institute for Global Climate Change, a report on metrics and on energy efficiency retrofit financing. And the last work we are conducting now is a report with the European Commission on financing energy efficiency retrofit in Europe, in real estate, in all class of asset.
Great, thank you. Raphaël.
Hello everyone, my name is Raphaël Tréguier. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of CeGeREAL. CeGeREAL is a core office REIT, quite young, set up in 2006 by a Commerzbank subsidiary called PropertyEU. This company specializes in the holding and management of large and modern office premises in Paris, and our current portfolio worth roughly 1 billion euros. What is maybe interesting in our portfolio is that we are the first fully certified core office REIT. All our offices are certified HQE and BREEAM in use. We have also very recently the Green Star certification from the GRSB. Which is quite difficult to have, and I think it will be interesting to discuss it with my neighbor.
Very good, thank you very much, Alfred.
Good morning, Alfred Fink, partner here in Paris office. I'm a double qualified lawyer, Germany and France. And as you have seen from the chart, Germany is on the menu for a number of investors, having 300 colleagues in Germany. You can imagine that we do a lot of cross-border advice for French investors who have now also discovered Germany. And I can tell you from what I hear from them, it's booming over there. So they're very, very active. We are a more European, international, Asian law firm. We have no subsidiary neither in Latin America nor in the US, in North America, but we are very well placed in Europe, and we have offices in Singapore, in Shanghai, in Beijing, and recently did also Jakarta and South Korea in Seoul. So we are a little bit more European and looking forward to Asia. About 120 lawyers really focusing on real estate, doing really mainly international transactions, and we are very proud to say that we were accompanied the investor for the Gherkin in London last week. So it was also a major transaction where we joined forces with a number of offices.
Great, thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Nicolas Verdillon. And for those who don't know me, or at least CBRE, like you know, is something like 40,000 people over the world, and we are brokers actually, and trying to enlarge our knowledge and capability. I'm just going to give some figures of capital market and CBRE here in Paris. In Paris, we are around 800 people, and regarding the investment, capital market is 35 people, and if we take the whole investment people who are involved in the investment, we are something like 50 people. We are dealing with all kind of, obviously, assets in line with the share of the sale of the type of asset all over France, with office, retail, logistic, healthcare, and also student resident. So by the end of this year, we will have deal with a total number around 3.5 billion euro, despite the fact that we have some another additional signature to close by the end of the coming weeks.
well, I was former times with Dresden Bank, Allianz, IVG the last 4 years, and then joined Catella mid of this year, running externally the research activities within the Catella group, which wasn't existing before. So I tried to harmonize and set up standards between Finland and Madrid, which is sometimes interesting. Internally speaking, it's product development. So the research supports the fund managers with the idea how can we create, well, let's say, product/value on that. Second thing is, of course, well, fundraising activities, part of the pitches on the cross-European group investment committee, part of that.